Welcome to In the Fridge with Pat and Dakota. What are we going to talk about today, Dakota?
I don't know. Hopefully not what we talked about last time.
That got boring.
It got really boring really fast. I'm trying to make it fun of celebrities, Pat. Oh, look, chocolate syrup. Now I
want some of that. What were you going to say?
Thank you for finally asking, Pat. You're very considerate today. I'm glad you're being so considerate. I was going to say, I asked Darrell the other day if we had chocolate syrup, and he said no. Good stuff. Dude, that was the last 7-Up. Dadgummit.
We like comments, so comment the video. There's a comment board right down there.
Tell me how hot I look. And Pat.
Don't have to tell me.
It would help, though.
What's wrong, Dakota?
Shut up.
Dude, listen, I'm your friend. You can tell me.
Oh, big friend you are. Just shut up, Pat. Ow.
Is something bugging you? I mean...
Why did you take the last 7-Up, Pat? Why don't you just drink it right in front of me? I said, hey, I called that 7-Up for later. It's even got my name in permanent marker on the bottom. Dakota. This is In the Fridge with Pat and Dakota, so you know my name. You did the intro last stupid time. Gosh, what a jerk. Ow. Welcome back to When did we get a theme song?
Just now.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
This says Jack Daniels, but it's not Jack Daniels.
It's Jimmy Daniels.
It's still Jack Daniels, which is a brand name, so we're probably not going to be able to put this clip online. If we do, please pray that we don't get sued. Jack Daniels, but it's barbecue sauce.
Oh my gosh, it's barbecue.
Kind of makes me hungry.
So as you can see, we've taken episode 2 to a slightly different turn. And I mean, you know, give us some feedback. Tell us how you like it. And... Did you just spray that at me, or did you just make a noise like you sprayed it at me? I don't think you really did it.
I just made a noise.
I don't think you really did it. You probably didn't really do it.
I just made a noise.
Oh, I look short down here. So what, we need to, we can't completely steer away from the, what do we have today, Dakota?
Mott's applesauce. Mott's makes the best applesauce.
They really do.
Rated out of 3 other applesauces in the United States, they came in second. Mott's. The applesauce America and French people from France eat like Frenches. Didn't know. Folgers. It's in your cup. Have you Folged your Folgers today?
No. What? Why do you keep coffee in the fridge?
I don't know. That was Darrell's idea, but he doesn't drink coffee.
I don't like coffee. I'm sorry. I know that's going to offend some people. I know there's a lot of coffee lovers out there that do not like to hear it when people don't like coffee. Oh my gosh, you don't like coffee? Are you serious? No, it's gross. Ew. Close it. It smells disgusting. I hate the smell of coffee. Put it away. Seriously. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, people of America, Americans and worldians, people from all over the world. I'm just gonna put this out there. I don't like coffee. I don't like it. I don't know why I don't like it. Ow!
Ow! Ouch! Oh, it hurts! It hurts deep!
I think the door may have shut, so you might not have caught that, but he hit his head pretty hard on the cabinet.
Owie!
I think it might have been me. I still haven't thrown away that almost empty jar of spoiled orange juice.
Mom!
Are you gonna do this whole episode back there?
I think you broke my head. Lunch! Lunch!
I think he thinks he's accomplishing something. Not sure what he thinks he's accomplishing, but if he hits me, I'm not going to be very happy. Just saying. So, he's basically just... You're gonna break your fridge, man. Fridges are important.
Know my name. I am Zarg.
Fridges are important. They carry food.
I am Zarg of the Nugalaka Galaxy. Singagata, shake off your trunk.
Alright, so...
This is my brother Scott. You clipped. This is my brother Scott. Do not look at the man behind the box. Do you like beef sandwiches?
I like sandwiches. Somebody just came in. Darrell just came in. I think he just got off work. Stop that. Good back. Don't need it. What is your problem?
Hey everyone, Darrell's here. Oh. Why do I always have to get beat up?
Darrell's the angry one.
Took that evil scourge of the black world. Oh, he deflected it. Time for round 2. Volley away. Oh. Orange juice. I missed.
That's weird.
Welcome back to In the Fridge with Pat and Dakota. Look, I have a beard. I have a beard with a face on it. On it, there's Sprout in my back. It's actually
He's
standing
really
up.
close to me.
Back by the way.
Ow. You know, I've been in front of a camera mostly on this Where have you been this episode? You're always off in the
My
distance.
ADHD is kicking in. Hella.
I mean, the viewers deserve to see you a little bit more than what they're getting.
Oh,
I mean, I'm not sure how well they can see you.
are you saying the viewers want more of me?
They want more of you.
More of me?
Not that much.
Oh. 15792 off.
This knob plays techno music. Listen.
Oh man.
I don't hear anything. I'm gonna redubbed in later. It's okay.
Oh. Yeah, this is a kicking party.
Alright.
In the Fridge with Pat and DK was brought to you today by the letter F and by the number R, which stands for refrigerator, as in the refrigerator with Pat and Fridge. Pat and Dakota.
Oh, hey Pat. Are we done? Because I've got 3 o'clock.
I think that's about all the time we have for today.
We need a catchy end song. But we're gonna work on that.
La 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 la. In the Fridge with Pat and Dakota. That's been all the show for today. That's all you're gonna see
But done.
when we go away.
That was your cue to stop singing, Pat. Bye.
Bye.
It's good having you.